Enhanced curb appeal. The first and most obvious benefit of outdoor lighting is its ability to significantly enhance your home's curb appeal. When strategically placed, outdoor lights highlight the architectural features of your home, create a welcoming atmosphere, and bring your landscaping to life. Whether it's shining a soft glow on your garden, framing your front door, or illuminating your driveway, outdoor lighting gives your Southlake home a polished, well-maintained look that's sure to catch the eye of passers-by and potential buyers. Increased security. Security is one of the primary reasons homeowners invest in outdoor lighting, and for good reason. A well-lit property is far less likely to be targeted by burglars. Motion sensor lights, in particular, are an excellent way to deter intruders from approaching your home in the first place. By lighting up dark corners, entryways, and walkways, you make it harder for anyone to sneak around unnoticed. Additionally, an illuminated exterior creates the impression that your home is occupied, making it a less attractive target for crime. Strategic lighting around doors, windows, and gates ensures that potential vulnerabilities are visible, allowing you and your family to feel safer and more secure. Extended outdoor living space. In Southlake, where the warm weather invites residents to spend time outside, professional outdoor lighting is a game changer for extending the usability of your outdoor spaces. Whether you have a patio, deck, pool area, or garden, lighting creates the perfect ambiance for evening gatherings, dinner parties, or simply relaxing after a long day. With the right lighting design, you can enjoy your outdoor living areas well into the night, making your backyard the ideal spot for entertaining, unwinding, or enjoying the stars. Improved safety and navigation. Outdoor lighting plays a crucial role in ensuring the safety of your family and guests. By illuminating pathways, steps, and driveways, you reduce the risk of accidents or falls. In areas where terrain may be uneven, such as gardens or around a pool, lighting helps guide people safely to their destination. For Southlake homeowners with large properties or winding walkways, pathway lighting and step lights are essential for navigating the outdoors, especially after dark. Energy efficiency. With the advancements in modern lighting technology, outdoor lighting can be energy efficient without compromising on illumination. LED lights and low-voltage lighting systems are designed to provide ample lighting while consuming very little energy. In fact, these systems are long-lasting and require less frequent replacement, making them a smart and cost-effective choice for your Southlake home. Additionally, LED lights generate less heat, which can help keep your outdoor spaces comfortable during warmer months. Showcasing landscaping and architectural features. Outdoor lighting is an effective way to showcase your home's landscaping and architectural details. For example, you can use uplighting to accentuate tall trees, highlight fountains or statues, or create dramatic shadows on architectural features like columns or archways. By illuminating these aspects of your property, you add depth and dimension to your landscape, turning your yard into a stunning visual display that's impressive both day and night. Increased property value. professional outdoor lighting can also increase the overall value of your Southlake home. Homes with well-executed outdoor lighting designs are often perceived as more luxurious, well-maintained, and desirable. This can be particularly beneficial if you plan to sell your home in the future. Outdoor lighting makes your property more appealing to potential buyers, creating an inviting atmosphere that sets your home apart from others in the neighborhood. Highlighting outdoor features and focal points. Every home has unique features that deserve attention, whether it's a beautiful water feature, a sculpture, or a blooming garden. With outdoor lighting, you can highlight these focal points to add visual interest and enhance the overall aesthetic of your property. Lighting not only emphasizes these features but also creates a sense of drama and elegance, making them stand out even in the evening hours. Privacy and comfort. Outdoor lighting can also enhance your privacy by making it harder for outsiders to peer into your home. By strategically placing lights around the perimeter of your property, you create a well-lit boundary that adds a layer of privacy. This is particularly useful for Southlake homeowners who want to enjoy their outdoor spaces without feeling exposed to neighboring houses or passing traffic. Low maintenance and durability. Another great benefit of outdoor lighting is that when professionally installed, it's designed to be durable and low maintenance. Modern outdoor lighting systems are built to withstand harsh weather conditions, and many are designed to require minimal upkeep. With the proper installation and high-quality materials, your lighting system will continue to function smoothly, season after season, without needing constant attention. Conclusion. Professional outdoor lighting offers a wide range of benefits for Southlake homeowners, from enhancing curb appeal and improving security to extending your outdoor living space and increasing property value. Whether you want to create a stunning nighttime landscape, enhance the safety and functionality of your property, or simply enjoy your outdoor areas long after the sun sets, outdoor lighting is a wise and worthwhile investment. By partnering with an experienced professional, you can transform your home's exterior into a beautiful, secure, and inviting space that you and your family can enjoy year-round.